Hello, this is Anne Marie, and with some essential chair yoga exercises for older people like me. So let's stay active, improve our flexibility. Just read the disclaimer down below and let's start. Let's start with just like taking a comfortable seat. Hopefully you have a chair that does not have arm if possible. Nice sturdy back. And bring your ankle under your knees and just relax. Relax, maybe close your eyes. And pay attention to your posture. Maybe lift your chin a little bit. Maybe rising your shoulder and bringing them back. Elongate through the tip of your head. Just relax here. And now I want you to start paying attention to your breathing. You don't have to do nothing. Just pay attention of your inhale, how it's traveling inside you, and your exhale. And now let's release a little bit of tension. Just taking the top of our head and guiding it. We don't yank, we don't go where our body doesn't want to. Gently, so our ear goes towards our shoulder. Now the other arm can stay where it is. Or if you need a little more, you're not feeling it. Right here, just lift your hand a little bit. Only go as far as it's comfortable. And let's do the other side. Gentle, mindful movement. Again, just bring your head closer gently towards your shoulder. Other arm can just come a little bit away just so you can feel it. We're releasing all that tension here. There we go. Look down. Look down at one knee, at the other, and start moving your head a little bit past your knee. Just try to move just the neck. If the upper body is moving with it, that's fine. Don't worry about it. And then side to side. Like a tick-tock. And maybe up in the corners. You feel like you're at the eye doctor right now? Here we go. Little gentle circle and reversing it. So you go one way. You can keep going if you want and just reverse it. There. You feel like doing a little sun salutation with me? You can do it from your chair. Just want you to scoop your bum a little bit forward, just a little bit forward. Make sure your feet are flat on the ground. So maybe you have two big books under there, two solid yoga blocks, something. If your chair is too high. So try to have your feet on the ground and just inhale your arm up. Big inhale, and we're gonna keep going through our fingertip as if we're reaching for the ceiling and the sky. Reach, reach, reach. Exhale, forward fold. So just bend your back and try to bend it at the lowest place possible. And inhale back up. So you want the movement, if possible, to come from your hip and not just rounding your upper back. So you're not gonna hurt yourself doing that, but this is where I want the movement to come. Let's get a little bit deeper into this. But you can do just what you just did. So make a little space here. We're gonna dive in between. You can hold your leg. Inhale up. Maybe this is up for you, so as up as it's possible. Exhale, forward fold. Come down. And inhale, come back up. One more time like this. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, back up. We're gonna have the flat back to this. Inhale. Exhale, down. And then just bring your back up a little bit and keep it straight. Maybe you want to put your hand on your thigh or leg, and inhale. We're gonna repeat that. Inhale up, exhale, down, forward, fold. Inhale, flat back. Back down we go and up. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Ooh, grab all the oxygen you can and exhale them down. Let's add a little bit to this. We're gonna do a warrior flow. So you're gonna put one leg, only if it fits you. If not, just do the arms. So we're gonna put one foot like to the side like that. I'm wearing my flip-flop, my goodness. I didn't realize it. Here we go. So one foot to the side. You want to be sturdy. If you're still wearing your sandal, maybe take them off. And we're gonna bring, I'm holding right here. I'm just turning a little bit and making a front foot. Now the other leg, if you can, just stretch it. Like again, my foot is to the side. Turn your hip, maybe hold the back of the chair. Look what's there. Don't force, don't force. Just go as far as it goes. And inhale your arm up, warrior one. And then warrior two. And then reverse warrior. Oh la la. That feels good, huh? I don't know, feels good to me. Maybe the way I slept last night, I don't know. It felt good to me. Quick check on your knee. Make sure it's not collapsing in. And nice. Arm towards the leg, the other one's up. Maybe looking up. Just breathe here. And a little humble with our hands back if they want to go back. And just come forward a little bit. See if that worked for you. It's kind of awkward with the back seat, so we won't repeat that one. Well, but we're gonna repeat the warrior flow, and then we're gonna keep on moving with our sun salutation. So inhale, arm up, warrior one, warrior two, little reverse, and forward. Shoulders open. You can stay a little longer on each pose. If one of them, like it felt so great there. Did you all move with me? It feels so great there. Just stay there a little longer. That's all right. And center, other side. So just turn yourself around. I'm using my hands here. Place one leg at a time. So I'm going to start with my back leg, making sure I'm grounded. Move your chair a little if you need to. And make your front foot, if possible, your ankle under your knee. Maybe your foot is over there. The way we've got a lot of support under us, so it's not as important here as if you had all your weight forward on your knee. But the knee has to be open a little bit, just a little bit. Everything's open. Warrior one. Ooh, nice twist, eh? Something doesn't feel good, come forward a little bit. Just turn towards me. See if it helps. Warrior two. Exhale the shoulders down. Big inhales, your posture as straight as possible. Exhale, always remember on your exhale, like just lower your shoulder. Inhale, add some length. And on an exhale, a little reverse here. You can hold to your chair, of course. You can have both hands on the chair. Maybe you're just doing the arms, and that's cool. And forward. Oh, it's so nice today, like the perfect day. If I could bottle this, it'd be like, wow. If your hands reach in the back, if your seat doesn't bother you, big inhale, exhale forward. See how that feels. I'm leaning right on my little receptors here, so I'm gonna come back up. Shoulder roll. And let's get back to our center. Keep your leg apart here. Inhale. Big reach, reach, reach. Exhale. Woof, we're dropping down. Maybe catch the ground this time. Maybe you're grabbing your legs, the chair, something. It's all good. And let's ragdoll. Let's ragdoll. Maybe bring your hand to your elbow so it doesn't reach the floor. And just like maybe sway side to side, little half circle. And push, push, push. Lots of exercise here on the leg. Push yourself back up or use the chair. Come back up. Again, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale flat back, exhale down. Push on your feet, come back up, and exhale. Ooh. Now let's bring one knee up and just give it a nice squeeze. Does that feel good on the back or what? Oh. Now take the other hand and just bring it around. Maybe you just still want to grab or hold on to your chair or hold your leg. Maybe you want it here. See if the other one wants to come up too. You still can hold it, of course. Now bring your hand under your leg. We're gonna straighten the leg and bring your, bring your toes towards the sky. And down. Other knee. Oh, give it a nice hug. Maybe you want to curve it a little bit and feels good on the lower back here. Maybe opening one arm. Maybe the other. And straighten the leg here. Maybe lift it a little bit. Nice little calf stretch. And exhale that down. Oh, wow, great job. You know, every little movement counts. We stretch the body, we straighten. So remember to keep coming back. You're investing in your health and your well-being. If you like this video, do me a solid and leave me a thumb up. Maybe a comment letting me know about you and your yoga journey. And if you're not already subscribed, do so, hit the bell so you get notification and never miss one of the videos. Thank you so very much, and until next time, namaste.